Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I went to Ulta, I bought a bunch of things, but one thing that I picked up was right at the front of the store. This is nothing that I would normally gravitate toward, but because we are approaching holiday season, why not? Curiosity got the best of me, you guys. This is a $29 disco-themed holiday gift set that is makeup, obviously. And on one part of my brain, I'm like, cheap, cheap, cheap. On the other part of my brain, I'm like, maybe there's something good in here. I feel like this is Ulta brand-esque makeup in here, but the price was so low, and the case actually is quite well made. I'm about to show you inside of here. You literally even have like a nice mirror, which is insane. Like the quality is really nice, and the case itself, the quality is really nice. So I think you could reuse this. Some of the makeup in here is total trash. We're gonna talk about it, but there are a few gems where I'm like, oh my gosh, this kit is value. I don't exactly know where they're getting the value from. Is Joy Bright a brand that Ulta sells all the time? I don't think it is. They do claim on the tag that it is $167 value for $29.99. I am wearing a lot of the makeup. We're gonna get to the application. Do I think this kind of a color play is the most flattering for me with like the blue eyeshadow and the silver? No, but it is very holiday, very festive, and what do we think? Why not, right? Let's dive on in. Do we love like the little holiday disco ball zipper? It's always the tiny details like that that get me. I think it's cute. It brings me joy. First impression opening this puppy up is, yeah, 29 bucks. Looks about right. This looks kind of cheap, a little bit like kid makeup, but not all of it is. There are some surprise hits in here that make the whole thing worth it, in my opinion. There are some items that are cringeworthy where you're like, oh, you know. We're gonna start with the blush highlight bronzer situation. Now, the cardboard components, they are not the highest of quality. You don't get a mirror in here. Here's this little setup right here. Does it get it done? Yes. Am I wearing the blush today and I'm satisfied with it? Yes, surprisingly. And actually, I do have to say that this shape on a blush brush is not bad. I was able to really circularly get blush on a very specific part of my face. Like application with this size of a brush makes sense to me. So I did really, really like the blush. The bronzer didn't really show up too much. Like I just don't feel like it did that much. And then the highlight is just one of those things where my pores are screaming. They are literally, they're mad at me. I can hear them. They're just like, it's really that kind of chunky texture. Could be pretty on the eyes if you wanted to wear this as an eyeshadow, but on the face, there's just something about it that's a little bit too punchy and exaggerating things that I don't want exaggerated. Moving on, the next item of junk in here that we have, you guessed it, the shadow is not that great. Now I am wearing this. Initially, I went in with this shade right here. I then scooted over into this shade right here. I kept it simple intentionally because I wanted to play with these guys right here, and I'm happy I did. These are really good. This right here, it's not the wow part of the kit, which is really funny. You open it up and this is taking like the most real estate, but it really is just not. Like they're dusty. There's not a lot of kickback, so you can layer the product up really well, not worry about things falling on the face, even with like a darker blue, which ultimately I did end up, once my lashes and everything were on, going and deepening up the outer edge. Actually, I did that before the lashes were on. I was just putting on mascara and I was like, something's missing. Like something looks a little bit off. I need to deepen up the outer edge or do something, because this is definitely not my normal go-to look, but I wanted to do something a little more holiday themed. And this is the best I could do with this palette. Now, the topper, do I think it's actual glitter? No, like I know my glitter. This is not a glitter top coat. However, these are shockingly smooth, so beautiful. Between the case and this trio right here, I think it's worth the spend. These are smooth, punchy, perfection. They feel luxury. The packaging component itself does not, but the smoothness of the texture of these shadows, A+, AA+. Shocking, was shocked. by this eyeliner. So smooth. I feel, gosh, I want to say this is like, it's reminding me of the Ulta brand itself, like the Ulta in-house brand. This liner is like butter. It went on so smooth. This is better than like any other drugstore liner. Like it is so smooth. And once these dried down, I noticed that the shadow sticks and the liner are not moving. So you're getting a really great brown liner in here, a really beautiful metallic sequiny shimmer trio, a blush situation, bronzer, highlight that's kind of so-so, and a beautiful case so far. For 29 bucks, I don't think it's bad. The brow gel is neither here nor there. It didn't wow me. It's no Ardell, but it wasn't terrible either. I'm wearing that as well. And then we get into these shadow sticks, which really impressed me. So this one right here, the Joy Bright Eyeshadow Crayon, this is just for the holiday set, so it doesn't even have a name, but I was swatching this. I am wearing it underneath my lower lash line. This does not move. So if you like a bright, punchy blue shadow, not everyone does, but if that is your get down, if you like that and you want to do something like maybe smoke out the eye, put it on the lower lash line, I don't think you would be disappointed. It is really stunning. So I just took the tiniest bit right on the outer edge, and then I was like, whoa, holy moly, we are wearing a lot of makeup. And then I decided to do more because like we were already in it. So I was like, let's like take it a little bit further. So I went in with the champagne shadow stick, and this one I could see myself wearing kind of on the regular. The color is phenomenal, and when these dry down, they don't move. So the quality on these shadow sticks and the liner are very luxury, even though they're in this kind of a cheapy kit. You know what I mean? Is the Joy Bright brand just for holiday? I feel like I bought a lipstick set last year, and I feel like it only arrives for holiday. Somebody in the comments let me know. I feel like right now I should tell you guys like that I'm obsessed with the mini brands and that maybe we should open one because this is going to be a shorter video. Should I do that? Should we open one? They're kind of like eyeing me in the background. I am trying to collect all of the different mini brands so that I can put it in my Christmas village this year. I know that sounds crazy, but I want to do it. And so I'm kind of on a mission. Oh, you do get these little stickers, little star stickers, rhinestones. If that's your jam, if you want to go to a holiday party and boom, like do a little fun sticker on the face thing. I think it's cute. I think maybe I'm past it, but you do get that in there, so bonus. These right here, the Joy Bright lip glosses, are so good. They're the right size, the right amount of shine. They smell edible and delicious. Pop them in your purse. I love these. So if you see the Joy Bright glosses on their own for holiday, grab them. They are shockingly good. I think I'm going to go back to Ulta and grab another lip gloss kit because I am just surprised. I have so much gloss, and this one right here that does not look like my normal go-to at all. Do we see the level of shimmer in here? Like, oh my gosh. Let's do a swatch. They're not highly pigmented, but they have the right amount of shine and just this nice like tone. I don't know if you guys are gonna get it from the swatch, but I promise you on the mouth, like I put this on and I was just like, oh my gosh, this is like an amazing gloss. Let's try another shade. Let's go in with this mauve-y one. I'm telling you, there's something about the texture. It's like a hybrid gel gloss oil, but thin, super vinyl shiny, and has just this nice jelly amount of pigment. And they smell so good. They wear for a long time. They are not gloppy, sticky, where they're like separating and doing that weird wonky thing. I don't know that this color is my favorite. Let's try the other one that we have right here. Oh, and I feel like there's some kind of plumping in there. Is that my imagination? Felt a little tingle. I like it. I think this is so nice. Like specifically the gloss is beautiful. You get a lot for your money in this kit. Some of us have a lot of people we're shopping for, and even spending $30 is a lot of money. So this is a great budget option. Also, a great gift idea would be this. I have mini brands behind me, and then, oh, I got a head scratcher. That's kind of fun, right? Woo! Okay, I'm hoping that I don't get duplicates. Let's just for fun crack in here together. Are we loving the mini brands? I was on live and we opened these together. It was a lot of fun. I go live on Wednesdays. If you guys are interested in joining, we just hang out, chit chat about makeup, unbox PR, try new things. It's in real time. And then if you can't make the live, I do save the lives and it's just under live on my channel. So you can go and peruse just what we talked about, what we opened, what we played with, what we tried. The mini brands are like a surprise hit. Everyone loves these, including me. I think they are so cute. Kind of hard to get into. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you get 5 in each little ball. Let's open them up and see what we got. Oh, yes. Yes. Ah! Okay. I've been wanting this one. Space Cowboy Moonstone eyeshadow. Look how tiny that is. Stop. Stop it. Oh my gosh. Okay, on live, I was like, I really want one with the naked palette in it. Did I just get it? No. Yes? Shoot, it dropped. So freaking tiny. Stop it. Is this box, does this open? A dry bar? Look at this. Stop that. If I was a little kid, okay, I'm going nuts and I'm not a little kid, but when I was a child, I had an obsession with dollhouses and miniatures and oh my God, you actually get the dry bar iron in there. Stop that. Okay, this is a good one. This is such a good one. Okay, this is a duplicate. This is the Redken All Soft. Someone suggested that I make a charm necklace out of these. I thought that would be cute and funny also. This is from Way. This is the hair oil. I don't think I have this one. And please be the naked palette. No, but this is really cute. Oh my gosh. Epic ink liner, and it's in the actual box. Stop this right now from NYX. You guys, I am dying over this. Does it open? Does it? Some of them open. Like the nail polishes, the OPI nail polishes, they open. But like everything is exactly identical. It is so crazy how they did these minis. It's just the greatest. It's the greatest ever. All right, you guys. That is it. Let me know what you think about the mini brands. If you have picked them up, if you think they're cute, let me know in the comments. If you will be trying the Disco Dreams, if you thought that was a cool holiday set, let me know. Let me know other holiday sets that you want me to try out because I'm in it this season to do advent calendars, holiday collections, full collection reviews, and that will be kind of a bonus. So stay tuned. Go and have a good one, whatever you are doing. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.